Did you know that nearly 4 out of 10 candidates fail the PE Civil exam each year? That's right, with a pass rate hovering around 60%, this exam is no walk in the park. And for many, the difference between passing and failing comes down to how well they use one single resource, the PE Civil Reference Handbook version 2.1. This handbook isn't just helpful, it's the only reference allowed during your computer-based exam. It's packed with formulas, charts, and key engineering data across all 5 disciplines. And what truly sets it apart is how it's structured for fast access under pressure, if you know how to use it. In this episode, I'll show you how to master the handbook so it becomes your greatest asset, not your biggest time waster like it is for many. You'll learn what's inside, how to get it, why it's essential, and how to use it efficiently under exam conditions. Whether you're a first-time test taker or giving it another shot, this episode will help you build the clarity and confidence that you need to pass the PE exam. I'm your host, Anthony Fasano, and I'm excited to bring you into this valuable episode of Pass the PE Exam. Before we get started, here's a word from our sponsor for today's episode, School of PE. Are you putting off preparing for licensure? Waiting for life to slow down so you have time to prep? Months from now, you could find yourself still waiting for the right time. Or you could start preparing today with School of PE. Take the guesswork out of exam prep. With 93% pass rates, expert instructors, and a pass guarantee, you'll be walking into that exam fully prepared. Make the right choice today. Enroll now and save 32% with promo code EMI32 at schoolofpe.com. That's SCHOOL of PE.com. Let's start with the basics. The PE Civil Reference Handbook version 2.1 is the only reference allowed during your exam. It's provided by NCAAS, the organization that administers the PE exam. You'll access it digitally during the computer-based tests. It'll be on screen, embedded in your exam software. So you can't bring your own copy, and you can't rely on any outside notes or resources. This handbook includes formulas, tables, and essential data across all the civil engineering disciplines covered on the PE exam: construction, geotechnical, structural, transportation, and water resources and environmental. How do you get it? Simple. Just log into your My NCAAS account and you can download it for free. NCAAS makes it available specifically so that candidates can study and practice with the exact version that they'll use on exam day. It's around 500 pages, and while you're welcome to print it out, just remember on test day, you'll be using the digital PDF version. So you want to be just as comfortable scrolling and searching as you are flipping the pages. So, why does mastering this handbook matter? Well, the PE Civil exam is closed book. That means that you are not permitted to bring your own references. You're on your own, except for the digital version of this handbook. Here's the thing. The exam is 80 questions over 8 hours. Time is precious. And if you're fumbling around trying to find a formula or table that you barely remember, you're losing that time fast. But if you've practiced with the handbook and you know where to find what you need, you'll move faster, you'll feel more confident, and most importantly, you'll stay focused under exam pressure. Think of the handbook like a toolbox. If you know exactly where your tools are, you can fix anything quickly. But if you have to open every drawer and dig around, you waste time and energy. Mastering this handbook is one of the easiest ways to boost your exam day efficiency and score. And here's another bonus. By using it consistently in your study sessions, you're reinforcing your understanding of key concepts. You'll start remembering where things are, what terms are used, and how formulas are laid out, which saves you effort when it counts most. Now let's talk about how to master the handbook. Here are 5 practical strategies to make the handbook your best ally. Number 1, start using it early. Don't wait until the final week of preparation to open it. From day 1 of your prep, use the handbook alongside your practice problems. Anytime you solve a problem, look it up in the handbook. Get used to where things are, not just what they are. Number 2, understand the layout. The handbook is organized by topic areas that match the NCSS exam specs. So, water resource problems are in one section, construction in another, and so on. Take 30 minutes to scroll through the PDF and get a feel for the structure. Learn where sections begin and end. This alone can save you minutes per question on the actual exam. Number 3, practice using search smartly. On exam day, you'll use a PDF viewer with a search function. This is a huge time saver if you've practiced with it before. Use Ctrl+F or the search bar regularly, but here's a tip. Be smart with your keywords. For example, if you're looking for pipe head loss, try Darcy-Weisbach or friction loss too. You need to understand the terms NCSS uses, not just the ones that you're used to. Number 4, learn the most important tables and figures. Some questions are all about the data, so make note of where the most used charts, graphs, and constants are. Know where the fluid properties table is. Know where beam design coefficients live. Know where the soil classification systems are. You don't need to memorize them, just know where to find them fast. And number 5, know what's not in the handbook. Here's a little twist. Some things just aren't in the handbook, which might include basic math formulas, fundamental theory, or obvious conversions. You're expected to know those cold. Don't waste time looking for something like area of a circle if it's something that you should memorize. Instead, just memorize it. This also reinforces the point. The handbook helps you, but it's not a substitute for studying. Now let's flip it. Here are the top mistakes that can cost you valuable points and time on the exam. Mistake 1, treating the handbook like an afterthought. Some engineers don't touch the handbook until the week before the exam. Big mistake. You'll be overwhelmed trying to use it effectively under pressure. Start early and build that muscle memory. Mistake 2, over-relying on the handbook. Yes, the handbook is helpful, but it's not complete. You still need to study and understand the concepts. If you don't, you'll waste time looking for formulas that you don't know how to use. Mistake 3, poor navigation. Scrolling randomly wastes time. So does searching with the wrong keywords. Instead, train yourself to use the table of contents, section headers, and smart searches. Mistake 4, using the wrong version. Always use the latest version. NCSS updates it occasionally, and using an old one will throw you off. Before the exam, double check the cover page and download it directly from the NCSS website. Let's walk through a quick scenario. Let's say you're in the exam. You get a problem asking you to calculate flow rate in an open channel, and you're given slope, area, and Manning's N. You know you need Manning's equation, but you forgot the exact formula. Because you've practiced, you can press Ctrl+F and type Manning. Boom! It jumps straight to the formula, and right below it, you see the table for the roughness coefficients. That's what efficiency looks like. And the best part? It feels natural, because you've already done it a dozen times during preparation. That's the level of comfort that you want. So here's the truth. The PE Civil Reference Handbook isn't just a PDF. It's your trusted teammate on exam day. And like any great teammate, it performs best when you spent time working with it, understanding it, and learning how to rely on it. Yes, this exam is tough, no question. But passing it isn't about knowing everything. It's about being resourceful, staying calm under pressure, and using the tools at your disposal strategically. Mastering this handbook won't guarantee a perfect score, but it will give you the edge to manage your time, reduce your stress, and earn every point that you've worked so hard for. So don't just download it, train with it, study it, practice it, let using it become second nature. Because on exam day, when the clock is ticking and every decision counts, your preparation will set you apart. You've already shown up, you've committed to this journey, and now you're one step closer to achieving something big, earning your professional engineering license. Keep going, you've got this. I hope you found this week's video helpful. In upcoming videos, I will solve some more PE exam practice problems and answer other questions from our subscribers. Pass the PE exam videos will be published regularly, so please be sure to click that subscribe button so that you don't miss something that could make a substantial difference, not just in your exam result, but in your engineering career. And please, ask questions and leave comments below this video, and I will read and respond to them. I'll see you next week on Pass the PE Exam.